Science fiction is one of the most popular niches all over the world. You can add suspense, thrills, or horror elements to a sci-fi story or movie, and these are also very popular in the world. Many creators are making videos in this niche and have gained overnight success. You can also be a part of this industry without showing your face because, in this video I am going to share the step-by-step method of making a sci-fi story video with AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. Before start making a video, we need an engaging story. Many AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard can generate stories, but you need to give a good prompt. But today I will introduce another AI writing tool that can generate stories with very simple prompts. To get started, open your browser and then search for PicsArt AI Writer. Click on the very first link. After coming to this page, click on Open AI Writer. This tool is 100% free. You don't even create an account to generate content with this tool. This is the AI Writer dashboard. Here you can generate not only a story, but also an article, email, keywords, script, and many more. Here you can expand grammar checker, paraphraser, shorten and summarize your existing article. You can generate content for your business and marketing purposes also. Alright, come to the Generate Text tab and then select Story from here. Now we have to describe our story in style. Always try to give as much information as possible. For example, I am giving two friends reached a dystopian city by time travel. They saved the city from a monster and then came back to the home. After entering the story, choose the length and creativity. I will keep it medium. After all is set, hit the Generate button and here is our story. Generates a good story. If you don't like the story, you can rephrase or edit it. I will copy the story. Okay, let's move forward to the next step. Voice generation. You record your own voice with a good microphone, but I will use an AI tool, Altered Studio. Open a new tab on your browser and search for Altered Studio, and then click on the first link. Now create an account with your personal details. After creating the account, you will be on this page. Altered Studio is a professional voiceover generator and editor. To generate voiceover, click on the text-to-speech from here. First of all, we have to select a voice actor from here. If you are not satisfied with the voice actor, click here to find more. Here you will find a vast number of voice actors in different languages and accents. Alright, after selecting the voice actor, enter the story in this box and then hit the Generate button. And our voiceover is ready. You can hear a preview by clicking here. In a quiet suburban town, two best friends, Max and Emily, stumbled upon an extraordinary hidden secret as curious and daring teenagers. To download the audio, click on the download button from here. Okay, our audio is ready. Now let's generate some visuals. First, I will generate some images. To do this, we need some prompts. If you are good at prompt engineering and generate good images according to the scene, then you can skip this part. In this part, I will generate prompts for images with another AI tool called Gravity Write. Just search Gravity Write on a new tab on your browser, and then enter the first link. Create a new account after clicking on the Start for free. After creating the account, you will notice a vast number of tools for content creators. Come to the right tool panel and then select the filmmaking tool. There are three options. You have to select AI Image Prompt Generator. After selecting the tool, we have to enter some data. First of all, our video genre. I will enter fantasy and sci-fi. After that, enter the video style. I will select 3D animation, and in the last enter the story or your video script. Copy the story from ChatGPT and then paste it on Gravity Write. After all is set, hit the Create Content button from here. And here it is. You can notice Gravity Write generates 10 image prompts for us. This prompt is for Midjourney, but you can use it on any other AI image generator to generate images. You can use any image generator. I will use Leonardo AI to generate the images. Click on the AI image generation tool from here. After that, select the 3D animation style from here as the fine-tune model. Now go back to Gravity Write and copy the first prompt. Copy only the prompt, not the Midjourney credential like Imagine. After that, paste the prompt on the Leonardo prompt box and hit the Generate button. And here is our image. All of them look like a perfect. Now download them on your device. After downloading the images, generate images with the second prompt and download them in this way. Generate images with all of the prompts and download them on your device. Alright, our images are ready. Now we will convert them to video with another AI tool called Pika Labs. Pika Labs is now more powerful than before. You don't need to use it on Discord anymore. It's launched its web version Pika 1.0. After coming to Pika Labs, come to the prompt box. Here you will find an attachment icon. Click here and then upload the first image. Then go back to Gravity Right and copy the first image prompt body. Paste it into the Pika prompt box. After that, this is the video option. Here you can select the FPS means frame per second. After that, this is the motion control option. Here you can control your camera motion. And then the last parameter. Here you can put in your negative, prompts, seed numbers and CFG. After all is set, hit the generate icon from here. And here it is. Our video is ready. In this way, generate videos with all of the scenes. Alright, our videos and audio are ready. Now let's assemble them with a video editor. I will use CapCut for this. Open the CapCut, web or desktop version, and then import all of the video and audio files. Now insert the audio file into the timeline. After that, insert the video file according to the scene. If the video does not match the audio, you can split it or customize the speed. To synchronize with the audio, you can add a background music. Also, after all is set, hit the export button. From here, it may take some time to render the video. Okay, our video is ready. Let's enjoy it. In a quiet suburban town, two best friends, Max and Emily, stumbled upon an extraordinary hidden secret. As curious and daring, they accidentally turned the hands, activating a hidden mechanism. Suddenly, a blinding flash of light engulfed them, and when they regained their senses, they found themselves in a desolate and dystopian city. The once vibrant and bustling metropolis now lay in ruins. Skyscrapers stood tall, but with cracked windows covered in a thick layer of dust. The streets were empty, devoid of any signs of life. Max and M. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating sci-fi videos using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.